Since we have company staying with us, and this 3D printer makes some noise, I've put it into the motorhome for the moment. If you're not familiar with these, it takes a spool of a type of plastic, and it's got a stepper motor right here that pushes it down that white tube into the print head. And this red portion in here is a part that gets hot. And it kind of works like a hot glue gun. So with a hot glue gun, as you pull the trigger, the glue extrudes out through the tip. This thing does the same thing with the plastic. This is what the little brass tips look like. This printer is about $500. They sell smaller ones for a fraction of the cost, but this one will print roughly 12 inches by 12 inches by 16 inches, something like that. Pretty good size. I'll come back and check on this in a little bit, and once this one is done, then I'll go ahead and print the cap as well. I'm going to go ahead and do all these parts in blue for the water system. The other one was all gray for the utilities, the power. So should have another probably 3 hours and this one will be done. Then I'll go ahead and print the cover cap.